Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you my top mobility flow routine, what I use before my workouts, especially full body workouts or legs workouts. Very essential to do it because it will help you to open up your hips, improve the spine mobility, remove the pressure from your back and your shoulders as well. So it's a total body mobility routine flow what you can use before your training or in the morning. That will help you to wake up the body and remove the stiffness, to feel pain-free and improve your performance. So let's start it. The first thing what you want to do, yes, is go to the lizard position. Yes, so you want to bring one leg forward, and from that position, yes, once you get this leg more to the front, support with the other hand in here. Other one you want to push it to the back. If you feel discomfort that is pulling you too much, bring this knee a little bit closer to you. Yes, so then you reduce the amount of the stretch in here, and that will be more comfortable for you. Yes, I'm gonna be more open as you may feel more in here also actively stretching your hip flexor. For me it's okay. So once you can do that, push your knee. If you are more stiff, bring your knee closer and work from that position. Yes, I'm gonna show you more today advanced position. However, I'm gonna keep on adding also regression, progression all the time during this movement or all of this routine to make sure that this is for everybody, for beginners as well. So don't worry if you cannot get it. I'm gonna keep on giving you regression and progression into every exercise, every movement. Yes, and you see I'm here holding my knee and pushing hip forward. So I want to contract the glutes, push hip forward, 1, 2, 1, 2. Actively going to feel how we do the stretching our hip flexor. Remember that if you feel pain, discomfort, you need to, that means it's a sign that your body is very stiff. You need to do regression of this exercise. Also come back to the myofascial release. That's why I was showing with the ball how to do first, how to release properly hip flexor, yes, adductor, hamstring to open up the hip, and then we can go to the next step where we are right now. Yes, support in either position. Remember you are wider, and then try to reach with the elbow to the floor. Yes, if you cannot touch it with the elbow to the floor, don't worry, you're going that direction. It's fine if you are still away. More you're going to practice this daily, day by day, you're going to one day reach in here. I promise you I was the same. However, I made it. Yeah, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we open. And we go 1, 2, 3, and we open. And we go 1, 2, 3, open, look up to the sky. 1, 2, 3, open, look up to the sky. 1, 2, 3, open, up, look to the sky. 1, 2, 3, open, look up to the sky. Nice. Okay, now we want to push the knee outside of us and inside. Remember, here, very important, be careful. If you have any knee pain, knee discomfort, be gentle with this movement. Slowly add opening in here, yes? And also, very important, bring the foot outside once you are pushing away. Yes, never keep the foot in and try to push because you may hurt your knee, especially if there's some issue, yes, with the knee. So you want to direct to outside and gently open. 1, 2, 3. Direct to inside if you're pushing in. 1, 2, 3, always. Doesn't matter if you have problem or no problem. Always you want to go the same way, safe way. Open the foot outside. Push the knee gently. Turn, you can help to turn if you cannot, if you still don't have that rotation, and push inside. So in, out. Yes, in, 3 times, out. Gonna show you from the front position how we are going. So you see my foot is outside. I push outside. 1, 2, 3. I turn in, bring it in. 1, 2, 3. Bring it out. 1, 2, 3. Bring it in. 1, 2, 3. Out. 1. Do you see how gently I go? Once you are more mobile, you can push it in here. If you don't have any problem with the knee, then yes, you can do it same like me. You see, I'm going with a strong movement and I open up. But once you're starting, gently, very easy. Here, secure your knee. Make sure you don't do anything like that. Then try to press because you can hurt your knee. Yeah, so open, easy. Then inside, out, inside. Okay. Once we get that one, yes, we want to do the hamstring. So you want to get in here, see, bring your heel up and gently try to extend the knee. If you cannot extend fully, don't worry, just go as to the moment where it's safe for you. Once you feel the stretch, but you are not overstretching in here. Yes, and gently go in and come back. In, come back. In, toes up direct, bring it back. Toes direct up, bring it back. Up, bring it back. Yes, we want to do 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more, and then we want to go across, in, inside, outside. You can flex the knee also here if you feel that is too much pulling you. Once you are more flexible, keep it straight and go across. 1, 2, in, 1, 2, cross, in, 1, 2, 3, cross, in, 1, 2, 3. Remember, if it's pulling you too much, just flex the knee. Don't worry, you don't need to be perfect every time. Yes, sometimes after heavy workout I also feel that is more stiff. I try to don't force it too much, just easy going. Yes, then we can create rotation, internal rotation, external rotation here to restore the hip. So we point with our foot inside, outside, inside, outside, in. Then we want to bring it leg into that position. We want to reach with the shoulder in, inside, and reach to the front. Inside, reach to the front. Inside, reach to the front. Inside, reach to the front. If in any case you cannot do that, don't worry, flex in here and gently go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. One day you will open up more, then you will be able to get there. Then other side, we want to go here. Yes, other leg. Also, first we want to do, yes, pulling, so contract the glutes and push your hip forward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we want to go here, elbow. 1, 2, 3, open to the sky. 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 See, now we are opening hip, opening our spine and shoulder in the same time. So it's global mobility work. Let's keep on going, driving, and then elbow to the floor. Remember, if you cannot touch that, don't worry, you're going that direction. Open, 3, bring it in, and open up. 3, bring it in, open up. And this is the moment we want to push the knee outside, away from us, and inside. Yeah, that pointed. You see my leg out, my foot out, my foot in. Don't worry, if you feel pain here, very gently. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Especially if you have any problem, issue with the knee, very careful with this movement. And so important, where the foot is going, knee is going. Never keep the foot in one direction and then try to press it, because this is how you're forcing your ligaments, putting pressure on your ligaments. In this position, much more safe. Inside, outside. Yes, inside, outside, inside, outside. And one of my favorite moves for a spine, you want to push the knee away from us, point the foot outside, and see I'm going with the trunk rotation. You see, I'm going looking one side, opening up to the sky, going in, opening up, going in, opening up, going in, opening up, going in, opening up. You see, when I'm going in, I want to extend in here my elbow, push the knee away from it, then bring it in, flex, extend here, open more, flex, extend. I will help you to disconnect the tightness from the hips and spine. Yes, to improve that rotation, spinal rotation, and open up more your adductor here. You stretch actively also here. Yes, everything, all the chain in here. Yes, and you will see that your hips gonna be much more open. Yes, then what we wanna do is your hamstring. So remember, go. We are on the heel, toes up. And we do flexion extension here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we wanna go down, look. Yes, extension. So we lean forward when we extend the knee, then bring it in. Extension, lean forward. Yes, this is how it looks from the side view. Yes, one leg is in and we go forward, flex, extend here. 1, 2, 3, flex, extend in, flex, extend in, flex, extend, and you see I can do rotation as well. That position, rotation, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and then I can go side to side. So we go 1, cross, in. If you feel too much pulling, you flex the knee, don't worry. Going 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay, and I'm from here, open position one more time. We want to extend shoulder, going inside. Extend shoulder, going inside. Extend the shoulder, going inside. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And I forgot about the other side we didn't do. Yes, we want to open, and we do the trunk rotation. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. There you go. 5 more. 5. Yes. 4, 3, 2, and 1 more. Perfect. That's it. Yeah, so here we have opened the hips. Now we can go to our frog pose. Yeah, so open the knees wider, as wide as you can. However, if you feel too much pain, just close the distance. You can start like that. Easy, more advanced. Yes. So adjust to yourself to don't feel too much pain. You feel nice stretching. This is what you should feel. And keep moving with your hips. So first we go forward. Remember, core engage, neutral spine. We go forth, back, forth, back, forth, back. That's about 5 times. Then stay on the back position and keep on doing short movements. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then we want to open our shoulders wider, and let's do rotation with the spinal rotation. Extending here, shoulder, look behind, look to the sky. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That is amazing stretch for the lower back. Improve the T-spine. Yes, rotation, all the spinal rotation. Trust will help you to disconnect. Yes, like I say, also amazing disconnection spine from the hips, because we're stretching here nice our adductor and improving spinal rotation. Yes, you're gonna feel stretching here. Once you turn, you should feel here on our oblique, and also you're going to feel how, if your tight adductor is limiting your spinal rotation, often happen. You want to extend the shoulder, bring the elbow into the floor, press with the elbow to the floor. You're gonna feel how much you can stretch your lats in the same time, lats and shoulder, and your adductor. Lean down. 1, 2, 1, 2, and keep pulling. We want to pull actively. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Remember, if this is too tight, short the distance. Go the same. Extend and press with the elbow to the floor and keep pulling. 1, 2, 3 and go. 1, 2, 3 and go. 1, 2, and other side. Hop and 1, 2, 3 and go. 1, 2, 3 and go. 1, 2. Yes, and we're gonna keep opening here. 1, 2, 3, going out. 1, 2, 3, going in. 1, 2. Yes, this is amazing routine which I can add to you. Yes, especially legs. Yes, full body workout. I love this one for my adductor, full body. And also you see we can here do the circle rotation. So we want to do 10 rotation to outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, gently rolling and out, in. So to the left, to the right, 10 circles, relaxing your shoulders. Yes, your back, your hips opening in the same time. Remember, if you feel discomfort, short that position. Yes, here, to this one at the beginning. Also, tight adductor. Still, we want to keep releasing, like I showed the previous mobilization with the ball. That will help you to target your adductors. Then you will be more comfortable feeling with this set position. Yes, extend your shoulders here. Then we want to walk in here all the way to the side. 1, 2, 3. Then we walking all the way to the other side. Yes, and keep pulling with the elbow. Pulling, pressing. 1, 2, 3 on each position. We wanna go as far as possible and stretch. 1. Gonna feel amazing stretch on your shoulder, lats, adductor in the same time. So great opener. Actively keep opening, pushing, going, and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to the other side. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. There's 5 on each side, then you're gonna feel way better.